Hello everyone, welcome to Jnanadipti Academy. In this video, we will see some of the important MCQ on lesson sources of energy. So let's start the video. One of the following does not contribute to acid rain. Does not contribute to acid rain, right? That is option A, nitrogen monoxide. Nitrogen monoxide will contribute the acid rain. So option A is not the correct answer. And second, option B, we have sulfur dioxide. So sulfur dioxide also contribute in acid rain. So option B is also not the correct answer. Option C, carbon monoxide. Carbon monoxide, it will not contribute, it does not contribute to acid rain. So here option C is the correct answer. Let us check out the option D also. Carbon dioxide also contribute the acid rain. So here option C is the correct answer. A solar water heater cannot be used to get hot water on. Cannot be used to get hot water on a sunny day. On sunny day, you will get the hot water, right? Option B, cloudy day. On cloudy day, you cannot get the hot water, right? So option B is the correct answer. Let's check out the option C and option D also. On a hot day, you will get the hot water, right? So option C is also not correct answer. And option D, a windy day. On a windy day also, you will get the hot water. So here cannot be used to get the hot water only on a cloudy day. So option B is the correct answer. At a hydropower plant, so you know that the hydropower plant, so first the reservoir will be constructed in order to store the water. So storing of water, which is potential energy, correct? Storing of water, which is potential energy. And after storing of water, when the water started to flow, that potential energy is converts into kinetic energy, right? It's convert into kinetic energy, and after that it will converts into electrical energy. So this is the pattern at hydropower plant. So you just check out the option D, that is potential energy possessed by stored water and converts into electricity. So option D is the correct answer. The part of box type solar cooker, which is responsible for producing greenhouse effect. So which is responsible? A plane mirror? No, plane mirror will not be responsible for the greenhouse effect. A black coating inside the box? No. Utensils placed in the cooker box? No. Glass sheet cover is responsible for the greenhouse effect. So option C is the correct answer. Solar cells are made up of semiconductors, that is silicon and gallium. That is the semiconductors. Option C is the correct answer. The value of solar constant is the value of solar constant. The word solar constant means it is the rate at which energy reaches the Earth's surface from the sun. It is called as the solar constant. So at what rate it will reaches to the Earth? It will reaches to the Earth, that is 1.4 kilowatt per meter square. Option C is the correct answer. the radiations present in sunlight which make a solar cooker work. So solar cooker will work, that is, you know that any objects gets heated because of the infrared rays present in the sunlight. So here the solar cooker also get heated for the that is for the cooking of food. So here responsible radiation is, that is option D, that is the infrared rays is the right answer. In order to make an efficient solar cooker, the cover of solar cooker should be made up of, okay, you know that the solar cooker are made up of the wood, plastic, and the cover you can use the glass, okay, and mirror. All these things are used in the preparation of, that is the manufacture of solar cooker. So here which will makes the efficient solar cooker? So option A, we have transparent plastic sheet. No, it's not the good idea. Shining aluminum sheet. No. Butter paper sheet. No. The transparent glass sheet. The solar cooker which makes the efficient, that is transparent glass sheet. Option D is the correct answer. The minimum speed of wind necessary for the satisfactory working of a wind generator to produce electricity is about, which means here in order to produce the electricity by using the wind energy, the speed of wind, the minimum speed of wind should be 15 km per hour. A solar cooker may not cook food, if the solar cooker is not placed in the shade. Yes, if you haven't placed in a shade, so then also it can prepare the food because of heat. So option A is not correct. So we have to choose the option which is the solar cooker may not cook the food. So option C, a convex mirror reflector is not used. So if you have used the convex mirror reflector, if you have used, then it will work, okay. If you haven't used, then also it will work. So option C is not the correct answer. Option D, the food containers of insulating materials are not used. So if we haven't used the insulating materials, then also the food is cooked. Option B, the glass sheet cover of solar cooker is not closed, right? So if we haven't closed, the food cannot be prepared. So option B is the correct answer. Which of the following is not an example of a biomass energy? Not an example of biomass energy. You know that biomass energy, it is the energy that biomass we will get from plants and animals. So here we have to choose which is not the example of biomass energy. Okay, right. So option A, wood. Wood is the biomass energy. Biogas is also biomass energy. Cow dung is also biomass energy. Atomic energy is not the biomass energy. Atomic energy is the energy obtained from the atom. Most of the sources of energy that we use represent stored solar energy. Which of the following is not ultimately derived from sun's energy? Which is not ultimately derived from the sun's energy? Okay, so option A, you know that wind energy. Option A, wind energy. Wind energy is what? That is the energy we are getting from the wind. That is wind energy. So wind means that is moving air. How the air will move? That is due to the difference in the temperature in the atmosphere. So directly it is related to the sun's energy. Wind energy is related to the sun's energy. So option A is not the correct answer. Fossil fuels, you know, fossil fuels, that the dead plants and animals which are just long back, which are buried under the earth. So that is also related to the, ultimately it is related to the sun's energy. So fossil fuels is also, is not it is also derived from the sun's energy. Okay, and also option D, it is also derived from the sun's energy. So here option B, that is the geothermal energy, it is not derived from the sun's energy, right? See, this geothermal energy is the one that due to the geological changes in the earth crust, that the lava from the earth crust it just reaches to the groundwater, and you can see the hot spot on the surface of the earth. So here ultimately not derived from the sun's energy is the geothermal energy. The constituent of biogas which makes it an excellent fuel. Biogas which contains 75% of methane. So option B, methane, which makes the biogas an excellent fuel. So option B is the correct answer. The major component of biogas, the major component of biogas is methane. Methane, that it contains 75% in biogas. Which of the following is more environment friendly? More environment friendly. So option A, burning of diesel. No, it's not the environmental friendly. Burning of coal. No, it's not the environmental friendly, because after burning it releases the harmful gases to the environment. Burning of wood. So burning of wood is also not environmental friendly. So option C, burning of charcoal, is the environmental friendly. So option C is correct answer. Which of the following is not renewable energy? Is not renewable energy. Solar cells, yes, it's a renewable source of energy. Windmills, yes, it's a renewable source of energy. Tidal power, yes, it's a renewable source of energy. Which is not renewable? Nuclear power. Nuclear power is not a renewable energy. So option C, nuclear power, is the correct answer. The rise of seawater during high tide is caused by the gravitational pull of. High tide is caused by the gravitational pull of moon. Gravitational pull of moon. So option C is the correct answer. One of the following is not required in the formation of biogas in a biogas plant. This is cow dung. No, cow dung is required. Water, yes, water is required. Anaerobic bacteria, yes, anaerobic bacteria is also required. Which is not required? Oxygen is not required in the formation of biogas in a biogas plant. Option C is the correct answer. The fuel which is not obtained from biomass is not obtained from the biomass is firewood. Firewood is obtained from the biomass, right? Cow dung cakes, yes, it's obtained from the biomass. Charcoal, right, it's obtained from the biomass. Which is not obtained from the biomass? Coke is not obtained from the biomass. Coke is obtained from, that is, the coal. So option C is the correct answer. The non-renewable source of energy among the following is non-renewable source of energy, that is, which cannot be reused. Option A, hydroelectricity. Hydroelectricity, it can be renewed. Okay, so option A is not correct. Sewage gas. The sewage gas can be renewed. So option B is not correct. Gobar gas. Gobar gas can be renewed. So it's not the correct answer. Natural gas, it cannot be renewed. So option C is the correct answer. Geothermal energy is produced by. Geothermal energy is produced by. Option A, fission of radioactive materials. Option B, burning of coal inside the coal mines. Combustion of natural gas deep inside the earth. Option D, fusion of radioactive substances. Look at here, we have the energy, geothermal energy, the energy which is just obtained from the earth, like due to some geological changes inside the earth. So here it is produced due to the fission of radioactive materials. So here option A is the correct answer. The harnessing of which of the following leads to destruction of large ecosystem? Destruction of large ecosystem. Thermal power plant? No. Tidal energy? No, it will not destroy the large ecosystem. Geothermal power? No. Hydropower? Hydropower, it will destroy the large amount of ecosystem. Which of the following is not a consequence of establishing hydropower plants? Not a consequence of establishing hydroelectric power plants. Displacement of people. Yes, displacement of people is the consequence of hydroelectric power plants. So option A is not the correct answer. Production of methane. Yes, production of methane is also a consequence of establishing the hydroelectric power. So option B is also not correct. And ecological disturbance. Ecological disturbance is also the consequence of hydroelectric power station, which is not, that is, occurrence of floods. Occurrence of flood is not the consequence of establishing hydroelectric power plant. Which of the following is used as a moderator in the reactor of a nuclear power station? Moderators are used in nuclear power station to slow down the speed of neutron. That here the graphite is used as moderator. The control rods used in the reactor of a nuclear power plant are made up of. The control rods that absorbs the excess neutron, those are made up of boron. The coolants which can be used in the reactor of a nuclear power plant, nuclear power station are, so the coolants we will use liquid sodium and carbon dioxide. Liquid sodium and carbon dioxide we will use as coolants in nuclear power station. In a nuclear power plant, coolant is a substance. Coolant is a substance which transfers heat from reactor to water in heat exchanger. Option B is the correct answer. Which of the following is ultimately not derived from sun's energy? Not derived from the sun's energy, that is, the nuclear energy is not derived from the sun's energy. Option B is the correct answer. One atomic mass unit is equivalent to an energy. One atomic mass is equivalent to an energy is 931 million electron volt. Option D is the correct answer. The energy in the reactor of a nuclear power station is produced by the process of nuclear fission. That is, the heavy uranium atom, it splits into two or more lighter nuclei and releases the two or three neutrons along with the tremendous amount of energy. One electron volt of nuclear energy is equivalent to 1 electron volt nuclear energy is equivalent to it's 1.6 into 10 raised to minus 19 joules. Option C is the correct answer. Which of the following can be produced during the nuclear fission as well as nuclear fusion reactions? So here, option D, neutrons are produced both the reactions, nuclear fission as well as nuclear fusion. Nuclear fission reactions are not source of energy for one of the following. This is atom bomb. Yes, that is in atom bomb that the nuclear fission reactions are carried out. So option A is not correct. In power plants, yes, in power plant nuclear fission reactions are carried out. So we have to choose which is not the source of energy. And pacemaker, so pacemaker also you can see the nuclear fission reactions, and not, that is sun. In sun we will see nuclear fusion reactions. In sun the nuclear fusion reactions will carried out. The energy produced by converting 1 gram of mass of a nuclear fuel into completely is, it is 9 into 10 raised to 13 joules. Option D is the correct answer. The source of energy of sun is, that is conversion of hydrogen gas into helium. Option A is the correct answer. And uncontrolled nuclear chain reactions forms the basis of atom bomb. Option D is the correct answer. 1 million electron volt of nuclear energy is equivalent to 1.6 into 10 raised to minus 13 joules. Option A is the correct answer. One type of energy which has not been controlled so far is nuclear fusion energy, which is not controlled, and these reactions are carried out continuously in sun. The disposal of waste produced in a nuclear power plant poses a big problem because it is a highly radioactive. because it is a highly radioactive. Option D is the correct answer. The heat released during nuclear fission and fusion is due to. It is due to the conversion of mass into energy. It is due to conversion of mass into energy. Option C is the correct answer. Which of the following can undergo a nuclear fusion reaction? Deuterium can undergo nuclear fusion reaction. Option B is the correct answer. The major cause of environmental pollution is the use of fossil fuels. Option D is the correct answer. The world's known coal reserves are expected to last for about 200 years. Option A is the correct answer. The fossil fuel whose known reserves in the earth are expected to last for the minimum period is petroleum. The petroleum are expected to last for a minimum period. Option C is the correct answer. An energy efficient device for producing light. Energy efficient device for producing light is, that is, option B, CFL. CFL is the device that for having the efficient to produce the light. So that's it for the main important MCQ on the lesson sources of energy. Thank you for watching Jnanadipti Academy.